In this video, we'll look at the tools available for you in terms of cutting, pasting, copying, moving, deleting, and aligning dashboard parts on your dashboard. On this dashboard, I have a single visualization. I can move it around by grabbing this handle and changing its position on the dashboard. I can resize it by grabbing any one of these handles, the corners and the sides, like this, using my mouse pointer. Up here in this ribbon, I have one icon for copy, I have one icon for cut, another one for paste, and I have one icon for delete. I can also right click the dashboard part and say copy, cut, paste, or remove. Likewise, I have access to my keyboard shortcuts, so Control C for copy, etc. works equally well. Now, if I have two or more dashboard parts, if I duplicate this one and say copy and paste, if I Control select both of them, then I can move both of them around on the dashboard as one unit. I can resize them jointly. If I find myself having a dashboard like this with different dashboard parts a little bit all over the place, different sizes, different positions, I could of course start trying to align these and resize each one of them, which could take a lot of time if I have a lot of items. And what I want to do now is I want to make use of these four options here: align and distribute in different ways. So for example, let me try to align all of these items in one single row. I do that by selecting them, holding the Control key down so that I can Control select several items, and the last item I click is going to decide where and with what size these items will get aligned. So if I now say align in a row, I get all the items moved and sized so that they are in the same row from left to right as that one last item I clicked. Here they're overlapping, so I can't see anything. So I want to continue and I want to say distribute horizontally, which means that the pixels available from left to right will be distributed equally across all these items. And now they're suddenly quite narrow. So if I unselect everything, I could Control select these three guys and I can move them jointly down here, and I can continue and I could expand them together all the way over here and all the way over there. They're now greatly overlapping, but it doesn't matter, because if I do distribute horizontally, they get resized into three even spaces again, and I can Control select these guys on top and resize all of that and continue and say distribute horizontally. If I feel that the vertical space is not equally distributed, I could select that one and say distribute vertically, and at that point I want to adjust these guys as well, so I do align in a row again for those guys. And now the dashboard that I had, which was pretty messy, has been arranged into 6 equally sized sections.